Start war. And you kill still.
Ready?
Watch how you fail.
One try.
Mom reaction. Come on, do it. Mom's reaction to the video. You're gonna be famous on YouTube. Actually, you've been on YouTube for a lot of time. For the night broken. Want me to do me? Want to do me?
My turn. That was not. Those were not swords.
They were assholes.
Oh, yeah, doesn't count.
Here, do me. I am like. He's pretty good at this. You stop. I can't do anymore. I fail. I fail.
Okay, you're done. You only get one try. You can't go twice.
I supposed to fail. Jesus Christ, motorcycle! Yeah, you fail big time. Ow! It sounds like he's taking a crap. Ah! Somebody's taking a shit. That's funny.
That's it.
Motorcycle! Yay! Really? Kitty, wanna go vroom vroom? Wow. Excuse me, man. Does it sound like chloroform to you?
Keep going.
You can video that one. That's fine.
Stop doing that. No, stop. Okay, my turn. You know, I'm going to disqualify you.
Oh!
You're disqualified. My turn. Stop. The way you do that, you're just like you just like okay.
Motorcycle!
No, earthquake. That's a wet one. No.
That's a wet one. What was that? Do your high and mighty one. The end is so rolling. Everyone with a motorcycle.
Motorcycle. cheek goes good. No. I get your hand.
Oh my god.
You're like shaking. It's like, what the heck?
That's a crazy one.
He's being next to me so he can hear everything.
Really?
How sad would it be if
You didn't get any of my noises on here.
Are you really, man?
I can hear that one because.
It echoes!
I can see how that goes.
You pushed on me, so everything came out. Wait, was that supposed to happen like that? Hold on, let me try that again.
Oh my god,
Last
Martha!
one.
Say goodbye.
No! We're not done yet. This is the last round. Last one. Yes.
Dude.
No, one more. Okay, that's your final one. That's your final. That is your finisher. Here's my finisher. Stop it. You obviously don't get the concept of this. You only get one finisher. Pick your finisher. Do one finisher. Do one finisher. One.
Do you
If you
feel
do one, I will kick you in the gut.
Do you feel your brain over there? I guess so.
One more. Do one. That's your finisher. Just
Hold on, hang on, before you can start, hang on a minute, let me lend you a hand.
This is your finisher. This is your finisher. Go. Finisher now. One.
Ow.
Hey!
I want the hand. I need a hand on it.
There you go. Hey! It's my finisher.
Look up.
Yeah, let's give it to Andy.
Give me.
This is my finisher.
Do like a cut.
This is why I don't want to give him anything.
Doesn't count now.
Get out of
I
here.
got a better one now. Better one. Nope. There's your finisher. Here's my finisher.
God, you're so weird.
You're disqualified. No. Yes.
Here it comes. He's gonna cut you now.